Good morning. I'm back here with another Amtrak station tour. I'm actually here in a roomette on the Amtrak Auto Train waiting to detrain, get off the train so that I can take you on a tour of the station here in Lorton. This is a stylish way to arrive for a train station tour, wouldn't you say? Alright guys, let's go make some memories.
So we're just getting off here. It seems like we got the furthest car. So we have a long walk ahead of us. But here you see the sleeping car and everything. It is a long platform. It's gonna take a minute. It's a nice brisk walk because it is chilly. But it's not too bad. I guess it's not too windy, so it doesn't feel terrible. I'm actually wearing open-toed shoes. I didn't plan accordingly. But we'll be in the car soon enough, or at least inside the station. They do have some sitting areas out here, as you can see. Cement benches and some trash cans. And this is where they load the cars here in the Lorton station. The lifts or whatever for the cars, or the ramps for the cars to go up. Another one of those benches. Man, we have a long walk. Huh. Feels nice though, and I love that I'm able to see snow. I just wish I would have planned accordingly and brought some better clothing. I don't see the wheelchair lift here. Maybe here because it's like level. They might just use a like a little platform, not the wheelchair lift. Oh, it looks like they have a store in here. I'll have to go check that out. Pretty big too. It looks like they have clothes and everything. Let's go check that out inside. I like that this area is also covered too. The whole platform seemed to be covered the whole way, so that protects you from the elements, which is nice. Right here we see the passenger check-in on the left, and there's like this news cafe it's called. Let's go see what that is. So they have this nice little store here. Like the Sanford station, it sells plenty of snacks and some food that you can heat up or eat cold. They do have some shirts and jewelry here too though, so it's kind of complete. It's a nice little store. Oh, they have a coffee station here. Ooh, saw leggings. Yeah, nice little store. Definitely can find something here. I'm sure it's kind of pricey, but aren't they always? So this is the passenger check-in again. And currently they're calling the priority people the ones that paid to get their car early. And so, yeah, I guess we have to take a seat and see what's going on. Let's find a seat, see how crowded this place is. Oh my goodness, there was a lot of people on that train. And they're all waiting for their car, so this is going to be fun. It's going to be a minute. I do like this building. It's very modern, very pretty. Very spacious too. It's huge. But as you can see, it's pretty busy in here, so it needs the space. Definitely a lot of people take the auto train. There's still some people getting off. I do like this on the wall.
Alright, so I stepped outside the station here in Lorton. Here's the platform with the train that we just got off of. And they've got a nice little seating area out here. It's cold, obviously. There's snow on the ground. Me being a Floridian, it's kind of cold. But it's actually not windy, so cold without wind is actually not that bad. It's when the wind blows it makes it unbearable. As you can see, there's a nice little seating area out here. There's the station building behind me. They got a little playground. It's not much to it, but it's a little playground. Give your kids something to do for a few minutes while you're killing time waiting for your car. and or to board the train, depending on which way you're going. There's also people smoking out here. I don't know if this is a designated smoking area, but they're making it work. And then this is the check-in security desk when you're coming into the station. This is where you'll drive in first, and then you drop your car off here. Right now the opposite is taking effect because everyone's leaving the train. So you see the cars are coming the opposite way. And they've got this blocked off for security. Cars can't start arriving until, I believe, noon or 11:30. If it's the same as Sanford, I think it was 11:30 or noon. We got there around 12:45, I think. So that's gonna wrap it up for our Amtrak Station tour here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I left bright and sunny Florida yesterday. Hopefully you guys caught the Sanford video last week. Now I'm in Lorton. Completely different change of scenery, of weather temperature. And now I've got the long drive back to Florida coming in front of me over the next couple of days. But all in all, pretty cool station here. Stay safe on the roads. Stay safe on the rails. We'll see you next week for another Amtrak Station tour. All right, guys, see you soon.